If you're seeing the error, your connection is not private when trying to access Reddit, follow the on-screen instructions to fix it. First of all, you need to check your date and time settings. So go to Settings, search for date and time, and then adjust the date and time and set the time automatically. Also try clearing the cache and cookies. For that, tap and hold the application, tap on the eye icon in the top, and then scroll down and go to Storage. Then click on Clear Cache. Also try opening the Reddit in the incognito or private mode. So open a private browsing or incognito window in your browser, and if the error does not appear in private mode, the issue might be related to your browser's cache or extensions. And if you're using the browser version, so disable all the extensions and try loading the Reddit again. Then check your internet connection, try switching to a different Wi-Fi network or mobile data, or use a wired connection. And if you're on a public Wi-Fi network errors can occur due to the network's security settings. And ensure that the app is updated to its latest version. Go to Play Store, search for Reddit, and then click on it, and if you see an update button, simply update it to its latest version available. And if you tried all the steps and the error still persists, it might be an issue on Reddit's end. Contact the Reddit support for assistance. So this step should help you resolve the "your connection is not private" error on Reddit. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.